In this video, I will show you how to change a PDF document to a Word document. So let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, you can actually use a tool which is completely free and it's been offered by Adobe. So what you want to do is actually open up a new browser and you want to come across to this web address, which is adobe.com/uk/acrobat/online/pdf-to-word.html. You want to come across this website, and from here what you're going to want to do is click onto the blue select file button here, and then just go ahead and find your PDF file that you're wanting to convert. So I've just got a quick example one that I've set up for this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and you can see it's currently uploading and converting automatically. So you don't actually need to do anything else apart from select your file. And straight away you can see that your file is ready to go. So all we need to do now, you can see a preview of the file over here on the right hand side, and you can see the file extension has changed to .docx, which is of course the file extension for Microsoft Word. So what you want to do is click the blue download button down here, and you'll see up here that's now downloaded that document and it's converted it from a PDF to a docx file, which is of course the file format for Word. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.